Hey guys, Ryan Brignac here. This is video number 2 in the tutorial on trading, and in this video I'm going to show you buy limits, buy stops, sell limits, and sell stops. So as you can see here, I have the MT4 platform pulled up, and I have the Aussie US dollar and the Euro US dollar. We're going to go ahead and use it just for these purposes. So in order to set a buy limit, and remember, a buy limit has to be placed underneath the price. So we basically want to say if the Aussie is currently trading at 7531, if it happens to bounce back down to whatever level you want, we want to go ahead and buy it at that. So say if I wanted the Aussie, but I only wanted it at price 7525. So what I have to do is right click and then go to trading and then new order, and then in this new order, this is where you can set everything at. So it automatically reverts to market execution, but that's what we don't want. So what you have to do is click market execution in order to change it to pending order. And remember, buy limit has to be underneath the price. So basically right now it's at 7531, but we want to say if it reaches back down to 0.7525, we want to go ahead and buy it. Now for a lot of other people, they'll go ahead and set their stop losses and take profits here. If you don't want to set your stop loss and take profit here, just go ahead and click place, and it'll place your order to where if it goes down to 7525, it'll trigger your buy. Now if you want to set your stop loss, because we're buying, you have to set it underneath the price. So we set our buy at 7525, just say the stop loss 0.7520, and take profit 0.7530. And obviously this is what I set it at, 7520 stop loss, 7530 take profit. Click place. As you can see right here, the stop loss and the take profit is already set, and it shows you. So the only way I can execute this order is if this comes back down to this level, which is the 7525. Alright, that's the buy limit. Now the buy stop has to be placed above the price. So we'll go to Euro USD for this one. Remember, we right click, go to trading, new order, change market execution to pending order, and right here where it says type, we want to change the type to buy stop. So buy stop has to be placed above the price. So the Euro USD is trading at 1.119192. Basically what we're saying is, okay, if it's ranging and it breaks above a certain range, we want to buy it. So just for our sake, we'll set it at 1.120. So basically saying if it gets up to 1.12, we'll go ahead and buy it. Once again, you can set your stop loss. We'll set it at 1.1195 and take profit at 1.1205, which is 5 pips in either direction. Click place, and now if the euro goes up to 12 levels, it'll initiate our buy. If it goes up to 1205, it'll take our profit. But if it happens to hit the your trigger right here and go back down to 95, you'll catch a loss. And obviously I'm just doing these 5 pips so I can show you guys real quick on how to do that. Now if for some reason you don't want them, just go ahead, or you're done with them, you can click modify, delete, and then delete the order. And another thing I forgot to show you, but I'll show you now, modify, delete. If you only want it to be done within the next couple hours or minutes or days, you have an expiration on here. So you can click expiration date and set it to whatever date you want it to expire. Because say if you put one on there and it didn't trigger today, and you forgot about it, you went to sleep, and all of a sudden it triggered at night and you didn't want it to trigger at night, well guess what, you didn't set an expiration date for it to expire. So therefore if you didn't manually take it off, it's still going to stay. Whereas if you can set an expiration date on it and it doesn't hit it by then, you don't have to worry about it. It'll expire useless. So now we'll go to sells. We'll do the first one, sell limit. Right click, trading, new order. Now your sell limit has to be placed above the price. So market execution, change the pending order. And because we'll start with the Aussie 753, we'll set it at 0.7536. So if it goes up to 7536, it'll initiate the sell. I'm not going to set a stop loss and take profit because I already did it in the other video that you guys seen, so you kind of already know how to do it. But I'm going to just go ahead and hit place. Oh, I didn't change this. I'm sorry. Remember, sell limit, you got to change that now. So therefore it bounces back up to this level, it'll initiate a sell limit in order for the trigger. Now if we do a sell stop, we're going to try this one with the euro. Right click, trading, new order, market execution to pending order, and then you type, we're going to do a sell stop because a sell stop has to be placed below the price. So euro is trading at 1.1191, we'll set it at 1.1185. And then I'm going to click place. Once again, I'm not going to set the stop loss to take profits because we just did that in the buys. And I'm just going to click place. So therefore, if the euro gets down to this level, it'll initiate a sell. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching again.